I just got myself this rapid egg cooker, and we're going to be trying it for the very first time. So you can do up to 6 eggs, and you can do soft boiled, medium boiled, and hard boiled. I'm going to be doing soft boiled because for me personally, that is one of the hardest things for me to get right when I'm just doing it myself on the stove. So if this can do it perfectly, then we've definitely got a winner. So it does come with everything that you need except for the eggs, obviously. So this is the measuring cup, and then on the side of the measuring cup, you do have, so if you're doing soft boiled, if you're doing medium or hard, and then you go to the line. So since I'm doing 4 eggs, I filled up the water to the 4. So that's what we're going to be doing. And this, of course, needs to be plugged in, and you just have the one little button here. So we're doing cooking or we are keeping warm. So then what you are meant to do is we just kind of put this water right into here. So we're going to do that. And then what we need to do is you have on the other side of the measuring cup, you have the piercer, because you actually have to pierce the eggs. This is what's going to help them cook faster over opposed to like on the stove. And one thing before I do that, I do want to show you, it does also come with these little trays. These two here, you can do some poached eggs. And this one here, you can actually do an omelet, which is really cool. Definitely looking forward to testing that out one day. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my egg. I haven't done this in a while. And you just kind of pierce that. There we go, nice little hole. We just need to, so I'm gonna go ahead and pierce those 4 eggs, plop them in here. Obviously, as you can see, there is room for 6 eggs. I really like the way this one is laid out. I have tried a different one before, and we always buy the jumbo eggs. As you can see, these are massive, and it never actually fit the right amount. So the fact like that, the one I had, you could fit up to 8, would not fit that because these are jumbo, but you can clearly see I have lots of room for the other 2. So I think that is cool. So basically then all we do is we take the little lid right here. This goes on top. Hopefully, okay, it is, and I think that's it. And then we're just going to turn this on to cooking. There we go. We're going to put on cooking, and then we are just going to let it do its thing. I think I saw inside here there's like a little really clear instructions, which is really nice. So for 4 eggs soft boiled, it says 8 minutes and 55 seconds. So we will be back, and I'm going to let you know how long it actually takes. All right, so it starts beeping when it is ready. I'm pretty sure it did not take 8 minutes and 55 seconds. It was probably around like the 8-minute mark. But let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, that's exciting. It definitely felt like when I was putting in the water that it wasn't enough water, but we are obviously going to test it out and see. I'm going to go ahead and grab one and just put it in some ice water because obviously I'm not going to be able to touch that. You have to be careful. These are hot, hot, hot. I'm just looking underneath. Yeah, like all the water, of course, like evaporates. And interesting. So let's see. I do think that I like, you know, soft-boiled eggs. Like I'm hoping that I'm going to have like a runny yolk, but I actually have no idea. This might be pretty messy, so let's see how this goes. All right, my dog also clearly really likes eggs, as you can tell. Definitely feels soft. Ooh, this is pretty nice. Looking good so far. I hate peeling eggs. I'm so bad at it. I just don't want to like pierce it because yeah, it definitely feels nice and jiggly. Okay, it's pretty hot. I'm just going to dump it in there for 1 second, get all the eggshells off, and then we're going to rip her open and see what it looks like. I'm excited. It's definitely nice and squishy. I think this might be perfect. Ready? It's like piping hot though. Okay, my dog loves eggs, as you can see, but it is literally, it is perfect. Like this is a soft boiled egg. Look at that. Obviously, look at that beautiful yolk. Oh my goodness. As I said, I can make hard-boiled eggs super simple. I mean, but this is obviously faster. You're not watching the stove. I love that it beeps when it is ready, and I don't even have to think about it. I just put in the right amount of water. Here, this isn't hot. You want some egg, buddy? Let's see if Walter approves. Walter definitely approves. He loves some eggs. So, yeah, if you love making eggs and you just want to make your life a lot easier, this thing is awesome and clearly perfect.